Hello friends, welcome to my channel JP Tutorial Guide and welcome to our new video. Today we'll discuss about evaporation and evaporator. If you like this video, so please subscribe and press the bell icon to get our video notification. Let's start the video.
Evaporation. Evaporation is an operation used to remove a liquid from a solution, suspension, or emulsion by boiling off some of the liquid. It is thus a thermal separation or thermal concentration process. We define the evaporation process as one that starts with a liquid product and ends up with a more concentrated but still liquid and still pumpable concentrate as the main product from the process. There are actually a few instances where the evaporate volatile component is the main product, but we will not discuss about here. In the most cases, it is essential that the product be subject to minimal thermal degradation during the evaporation process. Requiring the temperature and time exposing must be minimized. This and other requirements brought on by a physical characteristic of the processed product have resulted in the development of large range of different evaporator types. Additional demand for energy efficiency and maximize environmental impact have driven development toward very innovative plant configuration and equipment design. In the field of thermal separation or concentration technology, evaporation plants are widely used to concentration of liquid in the form of solution, suspension, and emulsion. The major requirement in the field of evaporation technology is to maintain the quality of the liquid during evaporation and to avoid damage to the product. This may require the liquid to be exposed to the lowest possible boiling temperature for the shortest period of time. This is numerous other requirements and limitations have resulted in a wide variation of designs available today. In almost all evaporators, the heating medium is steam, which heats a product on the other side of the heat transfer surface. The following list contains the description of the most common type of evaporators. Number 1, falling film evaporators. Number 2, rising film evaporators. Number 3, forced circulation evaporators. Number 4, plate evaporators. Number 5, thermal and mechanical vapor recompression. It is called as TVR and MVR. Okay, then we'll discuss about typical evaporator application. Product concentration, dryer fed pre-concentration, volume reduction. Okay, and there is a one more application. This is water or solvent recovery crystallization.
That's all for today. If you like this video, like, comment and share also. Thank you.